What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today, we're going to learn how to change the background in your Google Chrome browser so you can freshen up your workspace and show off your unique style. Chrome gives you two main ways to change your background: using the built-in feature or installing an extension. If you just want a simple background change, the built-in feature is perfect. But if you want more customization options, extensions are the way to go. First, let's check out how to use Chrome's built-in feature. Go ahead and open a new tab. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a button that says Customize Chrome. Click on that and then select Change Theme. Here, you can choose from a bunch of awesome backgrounds that Chrome already has, from stunning nature scenes to cool artwork. If you want to use your own picture, just click on Upload an Image and choose the one you want from your computer. If you want to go back to the default look, just open Customize Chrome again and select Default Chrome. Now, let's talk about extensions. These give you even more options and some extra features. Some popular extensions you can try are Momentum, Infinity New Tab, and Live Start Page, Live Wallpaper. To install an extension, you'll need to go to the Chrome Web Store. It's like an online store just for Chrome, where you can find tons of helpful extensions, including ones that change your background. For example, if you want to install Momentum, just type Momentum into the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, and then click the Add to Chrome button next to the extension's name. Momentum not only gives you beautiful backgrounds, but also adds some handy features like showing the time, weather, your daily focus, and a to-do list. Check out more details about this extension in the video linked in the description below. Similarly, you can search for and install Infinity New Tab or Live Start Page, Live Wallpaper to change your background to whatever you like. Each extension has its own cool features, so try them out and see which one fits you best. That's it! You now know 2 ways to change your background in Google Chrome. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.